Ayan, good evening everyone. Welcome to All Multi-Jam Night, only here in Bigo Live, Philippines. This is me, your host, Dimples. We will now... na.
Si Chris, ikaw na talaga yung host. Ikaw na yung mag-start.
Mag-start na po tayo niyan sa mga gusto po makidyan, makisayaw, makikanta, ayan, katulad sa ginagawa ni Chris, kung gusto niyo din po mag-drop. Yan, best lipat lang ako ng pwesto. Ayan. Ganyan na po. Kung sino po gusto mag-up, magsabi lang po para bigyan po kayo ng slot. And then, yung perform po dun po sa slot na malaking screen para makita po kayo. Ayan. And please support your host, guys, na nandito. Lalo na sa mga katropa natin dyan na yan, kailangan pang i-reach yung quota kasi 28 na ngayon, 29, 30, may 4 days pa, guys. Ayan. Banat lang. Please don't forget to share this slide, tap your screen, and send some gifts. Salamat. Sino ba mag-start? Ha? Sino mauna? Kuya Buni, unahan mo na ba?
Ikaw na muna kakanta.
Kuya Pino, ready ka na ba?
Siyempre, ikaw muna kakanta. Pwede dito. Ikaw ang pinakamaganda.
Ay, ako pala una. Putragis ako pala.
Ladies and
Sorry na.
gentlemen, give it up po!
Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Sarah G! Charot! Sarah G, feeling. Tapos yung boses, pukwang. There you go. My left hand. My right hand. Okay, love you. Work mo na ako, ha? Ano na kakantahin natin, guys? Techno.
Doon ka na sa malaki, bebe.
Ay, ako na. Ano ito? Pindutin ko ulit. Ayan.
Bebe, please.
Ayan, pakimute po muna guys, hindi pa muna mag-perform, and then pag may mag-perform po, sila po muna ang bigyan natin ng chance mag-showcase ng kanilang mga talent. Ayan. Tanungin, ano kakanta ko? Ano ba kakantahin natin dyan? Oh. Okay.
Get better faster with Tiratas.
Hindi ko na alam tuloy kakantahin ko. Di ako na-ready. Pala ko din ako kakanta. Hey! Oo. And welcome po natin ang ating manager at ating admin, Miss Kay and Miss Dawn. And thank you so much po sa pagpunta sa ating multi-jam night. Asa? So, kakanta po ako ngayon, ito na lang kakantahin ko through the years. Kasi, malapit na yung natin. Asta Agency Anniversary. Yan. Happy 6th anniversary in advance. Uy. Medyo yung song natin. Makapagkapagdamdamin. Ay. I can't remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I swear, you've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years. Thank you, Miss Kay. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I've listened to before. I swear He's taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I know how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, baby Mike, I'll stay with you through the years. Stay lang tayo sa Asta, guys. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I never had a doubt. We'd almost work things out. I've learned that life's about by loving you through the years. Ayan, through the years and through ups and downs, makakota man o hindi. Ayan, mga ganong bagay. Minsan malakas tayo, minsan mahina. Ayan, patuloy pa rin tayo sa stay sa Bigo, pagiging host natin, diba? Pax, hello everyone! Welcome po sa mga nandito and sa mga gusto makijam, makikanta, makisayaw. Ayan, sa lahat ng gusto makipagsaya sa ating multi-jam night. Ayan, mag-up lang po kayo or comment nyo lang po para bigyan po kayo ng slot sa screen. Salamat! And please don't forget to support your host na nandito. Ayan, lalo na yung mag-perform. Through the years, la 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 la. Of course, after me, meron po tayong isang mga performer, mga guest performer here. Miss Kay, mag-perform ka din ba? Miss Kay, si Kuya Bino, si Chris, si Ate Min, and sa lahat pa na nandito, sa mga hindi pa naka-up dyan, mag-comment lang po kayo, mag-up na po kayo, gusto nyo mag-perform. Ayan. Sabihin nyo lang po, wag po kayong mahiya. Baka dito po kayo makatagpo o ma-discover ng gusto mag-support sa inyo, diba? Kuya Bino, ikaw na. Den, let's go!
Let me show you what you're missing. Paradise with me, you're winning, girl. You don't have to.
Ayan na, yan. Kaya nakamute ka, kuya.
Ay, sorry. Akala ko si Mamang Kira na ako pala. Go.
Say no to BO.
Ayan. Hi po sa mga nanonood.
And prevent
Just keep on tapping your screen
pang
and
ano
please
yun
do
siya,
share
pang
the live at
grand
syempre
finale.
huwag kalimutang i-follow ang bawat isa. And thank you sa ating pinakamamahal na Bebe Dimples and Astayo. Thank you. Ayan, para po sa inyo lahat. I guess you've heard, I guess you know in time that I've told you, but I guess I'm too slow. It's overly romantic, but I know that it's real. I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel. It's like I'm in somebody else's dream. This cannot be happening to me. But you were there, you were everything I never seen. You woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. Don't be alarmed, no but don't be concerned. I don't wanna change things, leave them just as they were. I mean nothing really different. It's me who feels strange. I'm always lost for words when someone mentions your name. I know that I'll get over you for sure. I'm not the type who dreams there could be more. But you were there. You were everything and never seen. You woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. Can I take your smile home with me? Or the magic in your hand. Whoa. The rain has stopped, the storm has passed. Look at all the colors, now the sun's here at last. I suppose that you've been living, but I want you to know part of you stays with me even after you go. Like an actor playing someone else's scene. This cannot be happening to me. But you were there. You were everything and never seen. You woke me up from this long and endless sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes and no, I'm not alone. No, I'm not alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. Thank you so much.
They made KBL for a special Christmas like New Year, lalo na yung pag-gathering kasi
At nalag na po ang ating host. Ano din po? Ebe? 10.
Kapit, mahal ka niya.
Ebe, Dimples. Ano nga ni?
Mahal ka niya.
Bebe Dimples.
Wala.
Nagtampo na siya. Ala na. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, at nawala ng aho.
Uy, nagulo.
Kala namin mawawala kami talaga eh.
Naglag ako.
Kala naglag ka.
Uy, naglalag ako. Sorry. Okay na?
Ayan, okay na.
Okay na?
Okay na.
Naglalag yung ano ko, yung wifi. Tinurn off ko na lang, tas mag-data na lang ako.
Buti na lang hindi nalaglag, no?
Lag pa rin?
Okay na, bebe. Okay na.
Hello? Lag pa din?
Okay na.
Okay na.
Ah,
Okay, tapos na po. Thank you so much, Kuya Bino. Pasensya
Thank
na
you
po,
so
guys, kaya naglag
much.
tayo.
No worries.
Ayan.
Thank you.
Yay! Ang ganda ng song. Nag-SR pa naman ako, tapos saktong naglalag. Sige, sanay na kami. Okay, our next to perform, si Chris po. Ayan. Chris, ready ka na ba ulit? Chris! Kaya mo pa ba tonight? Ay, hindi na siya sumasagot. Tekno, hello. Si Ate Min na lang. Ate Min, okay ka pa ba? Min naman te. Si Min. Ladawan, pwede ka na po mag-up. Ate Min!
Ay, yes. Yes.
Ikaw na po.
Sorry,
Ikaw muna,
sorry.
te.
Sorry.
Oo, mag-swap na lang kayo ni Ate
Ang
Bino.
ako ang
Ate
tuhod.
Bino. Kuya
Sakit
Bino.
ang hawak.
Ate Bino. Ate! Ano na?
Ate. Oh, up ka na dito, bestie. Dali na.
Oh,
Dali na.
Parang
Sige
gusto
po.
ko yung
Oh.
ate Bino.
Paano ba kayo mag-swap?
I-click mo, bebe, ano yung
Swap na
pinaka-slot
ulit
niya.
kayo. Paano ba mag-swap?
I-click mo yung slot ni Ate May, tapos may makikita kang ano, bebe, yung pinaka parang, yung parang pagpapalitin. Ayun.
Yan.
May naka-up ka na. Kaya hindi naka-up si Ladawan.
Ay.
Kasi may number 2.
Mudasar, I will disconnect you muna ha. Be back later. We have an event. Thank you. Okay,
Up ka na.
Leo girl. Amili ni Lo. Asa sila dawan?
Mami Lin.
Dali na, up ka na dito. Ayan.
Mami Lin.
Mami. Ayusin mo yung setup
And
mo.
thank you
para
so much
makasama
guys.
ka
Please
na.
don't forget to follow each and every one. Ready ka na ba, Tingin?
Ay, sorry, hindi pa ako naka-open ng cam. Ayan. Chas.
Ganda.
Yan na.
Ang press.
Hello.
Kahawig
Good
niya si
evening,
mama ko.
everyone. Yan na. Hi, good evening sa lahat. Welcome to our Johnny, guys. Ay, sorry. Na-off talaga. Ano ba yan? Hindi ko na nga pa.
Love song tayo. Malapit na Valentine's na.
Sorry.
There are no words, no way to speak.
Love.
Still for you. If there are no tears, no way to feel inside. It's me for you. And even if the sun refuses to shine, even if romance run out the run, you will still have my heart until the end of time.
You're all I need of my love, my Valentine. Oh, thank you so much.
And that was Ate Min. Thank you so much sa Valentine song natin dyan. And sana may ka-Valentine ka ngayong February. Uy! Ano na? Tapos balik ako ulit sa ano ko. Ayan guys. Oh, everyone. Good evening sa mga lahat ng mga gusto pa rin. Gusto makijam. Wag po kayong mahiya. Wag po kayong mahiyang mag-up or mag-comment para i-up po kayo namin. You can just sing with us, dance with us, make drama with us, mag-perform kayo dyan. Ayan. Thank you so much. So, our next performer is Kuya Ladawan. Kuya, ready ka na ba? Busistan, thank you so much for being here. It's too early. Alas 3 pa dyan, mag-alas 4 pa lang. Kuya Ladawan, okay ka na po? Sige.
Like, concept lang. So,
Sige pa.
itong song na to is requested to siya. Request to. So, actually, ang original nito is sa ibang language. So, inaaraw ko siya i-translate sa Tagalog kasi yun ang ini-request. Okay?
Okay.
So, pasensya
Okay, thank you. Black.
is may music ba? Okay, okay.
Oo. Tapos Miss K.
Thank you. Alright.
Hello everyone. Ayan. Please don't forget to share and send some love to Gibbs.
Sino sa
Thank you.
dalawa ang gusto mo na makasama? Okay. Hirap i-translate. Ihatag ko na ang talang o binigay ko na ang lahat. Pero kung siya man ang piliin mo, wala akong magagawa. Pero sakit man sa damdamin ko kung siya man.
Ba't parang kinikilig ka dyan? Parang kanino bang kantang yan?
Hindi. Request ko sa guys. I-trusted ko lang. Ay, siya. Ikaw talaga.
Kinikilig siya. Sino ba nag-request niyan, ha?
Wait, wrong ka ko dito.
Kinikilig siya. Tuloy mo yan, kuya. Kaya mo yan.
Wala na siya'y balikan. Kantahin ko na lang yung yung original niya. Para mas madali pa. Aralin ko na lang bukas. I-perform, iano ko to sa Sabado eh. Kung pananglitan sa iyang
Base reveal dapat. Maganda po system is doon. Hindi siya nagpapakita.
magulat lang ko di ring dapitan.
Ay, hindi to Bigo host?
Basin di ayaw mo balikan.
Ay, hindi to host? Supporter to?
Ihatag ko na ang tangan.
Pero kulang ihapon sa
Ihatag ko pa ang tangan.
Oh,
At pa
sa pwede mag-post.
kung siya ko, pero kanyaan o iyang binuangan kahitabo. May nasa kong dambo, nasa ibang palasyo o iyak ang biyaan. Limon ka lang. Ako, sana all pakaslan. Sorry gusto ko na siya.
Akala ko host siya.
Mahimo ana pero ang pingin siya palihok ko sa inyo. Siya maganahan o palayo na ko ninyo ug hatagan pa mo respeto. Sakit ug ayaw gyud siya biya kay imo siyang sayangan. Buhaton ko ang tanan, wala ka nang babalikan. Okay, thank you.
Aray.
Pasensya na po.
Maganda yung boses mo, kuya. Mag-host
Ganda
ka na
boses.
daw,
Totoo,
kuya
mag-host ka na.
Latawan. Thank you so much for a wonderful performance na kinikilig siya. Yan, our next performer is Chris. Ayan, let's welcome again ang nagbigay ng intro kanina. Ano na, Chris? Thank you so much. Ayan, sa mga gusto pa
Okay.
mag-perform, guys, mag-up lang, mag-comment lang po kayo para bigyan po ko kayo ng slot. Ay,
Opa.
change outfit,
Oh,
guys.
change outfit. Sana all. Sana all na.
Ang gagawin
Yung bra
mo?
mo hindi pantay.
Masayaw na pala siya. Tumatawa yung nanay mo sa likod. Nahulog yung dede mo. Kala ko mga anak eh. Kala ko magdadrama siya.
Next song.
Ganyan na siya maghugas na ng
English. English ka muna. Tapos sumayaw. Sabi ng iyong ina.
A simple task turns into a
Ay! Sayaw pa siya, Nay. Unya na maghugas natin, Nay.
Chris, andyan na yung amo mo. Mamaya ka na sumayaw, Chris. Yung amo mo. Sorry po.
Pinatay! Bakit pinatay yung ilaw? Bakit patay-patay yung ano niya? Yung tone, music?
Go, Ma'am Don. Ay, si Chris pala. Akala ko. Size lang din.
Hangakon ni ba? Hangakon ni pagkahuman. Dude, Jonaline. Ganyan later.
Okay, next. Na, tapos na. Okay.
Ay, ano na to? Oh, Nay, tapos na siya nagsayaw, Nay. Pwede na siya magugas plato.
Magugas ka muna ng plato bago ka matulog.
It's okay, pwede ka po.
Siyempre, si Mamang Kira, hindi yan pwedeng hindi kakanta.
Naka-ready out, guys. Ayan. Thank you so much.
Sayote.
Siyempre, hindi natin palalagpasin ng ating manager. Nakaset up pa to. Kakagaling na ito nag-live hosting. Hindi to hihindi.
Global Music Live Band.
Nakakasama ako ng tawag nito, ng love song, kaya lang biglang sumayaw si Chris.
Lagsong na!
Sige, ano na lang, ano ba? Wait lang. Love song ulit tayo. May music ako, guys.
Marimar.
Open ka!
Lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly, wishing there would be someone waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you.
Sarap sa ears.
It's
Oo.
telling me it might be you. All of my life, looking back as lovers go walking past. All of my life, wondering how they met and what makes it last. If I found a place, would I recognize the face? Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. So many quiet walks to take, so many dreams to wake, and with so much love to make. I think we're gonna meet sometime. Maybe all we need is time. And it's telling me it might be you. All of my
Hindi ko
life,
rin tinadya.
I've been saving love songs and lullabies, and there's so much more no one ever heard before.
Baby.
It's you, baby, it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Thank you so much po. Pa-follow po ako, newbie lang po.
Ayan. Thank you, Miss Kay. What a wonderful voice. No, ang lamig talaga ng boses mo kahit kailan.
Ang sarap sa
Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to follow us sa mga nandito, sa mga hosts na nandito po. Follow nyo po kami. Ayan. And, of course, our next performer is si Kuya Bino. Ano ba to?
Ikaw muna daw dapat po eh.
Go!
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Bebe Dipo!
Go! Kasi, pagkatapos ko, ikaw naman ba siya? Ate Bino, ano na?
Ayun tayo.
Naati na talaga kita kanina. Sorry.
Oh, ate yan. Parang gusto ko yung kinilig ako ng very Sige. Greatest love of all. Oh. Eto, let's go.
Greatest love of all.
Let's go.
Ang cute ng dino niya. May shade na, oh. Ang kalaki ng shade.
Siyempre. Pero ba yung mga buhok? Lahat talaga kung magkakasama tayo limam doon, limamang tira. Yun natin tayo sa hotel. Yung inaayusan ako ng pagkaga. Let's go. Kaya para po sa inyo lahat. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody's searching for a hero. Thank you, Boss Ladawan. People need someone to look up to, and never found anyone to fulfill my need. Was all this time a lonely place to be, and so I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. Even fail if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't take away my dignity, because the greatest love upon is happening to me. I found the greatest love upon inside of me. The greatest love upon is easy to achieve. Learning to love yourself, it is the greatest love of all. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Or give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadows. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I live as I believe. No matter what they take from me, they can't inside of me. The greatest love of all is here to achieve. Oh, learning to love yourself, it is the greatest love of all. And if by chance that special place, thank you boss all this time, that you've been dreaming of, all leads you to a lonely place. But your strength in love, no. Boss Ladawan, boss all this time. Ayun. Thank you po.
Lucky Me Pansit Canton Kasalo Pack.
Thank you so much, Kuya Bino. Bakit pag ikaw kumakatabi, Kuya Bino, bakit parang naglalag ako? Kaya miski kanina ang clear naman, hindi naman putol-putol.
Aray, aray ko.
Lag ka talaga?
Di ko alam.
Lag
Lag ba ako? Di ko alam.
Hindi ko alam. Kasi putol-putol sa akin na nagre-record ako.
Lag ako?
Smooth
Yun lang,
naman
Rugo.
kanina. Hindi ba siya lag? O ako ang lag?
Di ko alam, may toyo kasi minsan
Rugo?
internet connection ko. Lag ba ako, guys?
Ayan, kakanta pa ba ako?
Oo, syempre. Hindi kami papayag hindi ka kakanta.
Okay, sige. Kanta na ako, guys.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Puro
give it up
tayo-
for
puro
our
tayo love
princess, Bebe Dimples!
Grabe naman na intro yun.
Doon ka sa malaki, Bebe.
Char. Sana all board for you.
Doon ka sa malaki, Bebe.
To maybe... Ay. Wait lang. Ayaw ko tong ganito. Ayaw ko yung ganito rutot. Palit. Ayaw ito rutot. Wait lang. Ito, palit tayo. Nahirita ako eh.
Bebe, doon ka sa malaki para kita yung kagandahan mo.
Wala na ibang... Ay! Sorry na pala.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Bebe
Sarap.
Dimples! Ang pinakamaganda at pinaka-sexy sa buong mundo.
Marika. 2 billion people running around the planet. What is the chance in heaven that you find your way to me? Tell me, what is the sweet sensation? It's a miracle it happened. Now I search for an explanation. Only one thing it could be. Uy! That I was born for you. It was written in the stars. Yes, I was born for you. All the choice was never ours. It's a of the powers of the universe conspired to make you mine until the day I die. I bless the day that I was born for you. Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of them seem to matter when I look into your eyes. Now I know what I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Someone nodding what seems so wrong here. If they only realize that I was born and that you were born for me. And in this random world, this was clearly meant to be. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Taas mga paa, everyone! Wala kamay mga dyan, paano lang? Thank you sa mga nag-join sa aming multi-jump live house. What we have, the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the years go by, until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Thank you so much, Ernetta. I love you. Charis. Parang ka na. Huy! Ano na? Pagkamalito, Ate Min, ikaw na. Thank you, guys. Ayan. Our next performer is Ate Min. Ayan. Ate Min, ihanda mo na ang inyong performance.
Ramdam na ramdam ko yung tattoo.
Uy. Mm-hmm.
Ayan,
May music ka na ba?
Thank you so much, Bebe Boss. Ayan, okay ba yung microphone ko? Nilipat ko eh.
Ay, di ba naman ang dami mo na may microphone natin.
Pang mayaman, madaming mic.
Okay lang.
Sana, oy, mayaman.
Sila lang yung ano lang. Si ano lang talaga, si Idol Vino lang talaga yung mayaman.
Uy, parang totoo. Charot-charot lang.
Aray ko, gusto ko yan.
Awa yun.
Uy, kuya.
Ayan, ito na. Alright. So, habang magpasok, good evening naman po sa inyong lahat dyan. So, nag-stay, thank you so much for nag-stay ng jam namin. Take me to your heart, show me where to start. Let me be the part of your first love. All the stars are nights, every wish is ours tonight, my love. Pity those who wait, trusting love to fade, finding out too late that they've lost it, and never let them go. They will never know the ways of love. Got to believe in magic. Tell me, how do people find each other in a world that's full of strangers? You got to believe in magic, something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magical when two people fall in love. I will never know why I need you so. All I need to know that this feeling, handle it with care. We were born to share this dream, my love. people fall in love. Tell me how the people find each other. Here the world is full of strangers. You can't believe the magic. Something stronger than the moon above. 'Cause it's magic when two people fall in love. Alright, thank you so much. Back to you, Dimples.
Yan, thank you so much, Ate Min, for a wonderful performance. Yan, of course. Sino pa? Meron ka pang bala dyan, Chris! Chris! Meron ka pang bala dyan? Wala na, nagugas. Wala na, nagugas na. Nagugas na
meron
siya ng
pa.
plato.
Oh, panis,
Sky.
hindi na naubusan yan.
Ay, meron pa.
Ilak mo na daw
Matutay.
siya.
Ano,
Ayun.
paano kami magpalit? Ayan, ilaki ko na daw siya. Ipoy!
Oh. Ang panis.
Sino yan?
Ba, tumatumba.
Si Chris.
Next song.
Oh, no. Palitan mo? Ay, next.
Wala lang na as.
Dull skin? Use Dove Serum Bar with 50 times niacinamide and vitamin C and E.
Para bang oy, na.
Wala lang.
Ano, hindi ka na nag-eyeglasses kasi. Uy, di ba? Sabi niya ang pangalan niya.
Go, Bebe Dimples. Huwag ka magpatalo. Let's go.
Okay na eh.
Okay na, Jude. Okay na, Jude. Nga, naman, Jude.
Pwede na! Sulay mo! Di pa tapos!
Dili
pa tayo 2 minutes,
Pag
alas
dapat
8:30 pa
30 minutes
tayo.
yan, Ay, panis. Tutugtog pa yan sa lamesa, guys. O, ayan na siya. Oh.
Ay, ito, drama na,
Ay,
drama na.
umupo pa nga sa set. Oh. Ay.
Baka mga 10 minutes pa yan, guys.
This love that we have come to know, we've always been this way until forever and a day, and now we'll never ever change. 'Cause you are all my eyes can see. It's everlasting. Promise that you'll always love me. That I will be your one and only. That you hold me till eternity. fly away until it's morning loving. You'll never leave me, even if tomorrow there will be no more sun to shine. You're all that matters. Promise that you'll always love me, but I won't be your one and only. That you hold me till eternity. So you'll keep me in your heart. Promise me we'll never part. I'll get on the love you so much more. 'Cause you were all I'm living for. And the only thing I do is to give my love to you. And forever you'll be in my heart. Forever always I'll love you from the start. So you'll keep me in your heart. Promise me we'll never part. And that I'll love you so much more. 'Cause you were all I'm living for. And the only thing I do is to give my love to you. And forever you'll be in my heart. Forever always love you.
Tama to pang pinalo. Uy, huwag ka magbubati! Thank you, Chris! Ayan, guys. Okay, so ready. Hanggang 8:30 lang tayo, diba? Everyone, open cam na, guys. Open cam na kayo dyan, di ba? Hanggang 8:30 lang tayo. Kasi 1 hour lang naman yung ating
Doon ka daw dapat sa
1 hour lang ang ating multi-jam. Ayan, sa mga gusto pa mag-stay, pwede pa po kayong mag-stay. Kasi, ganito muna ako. Miss Kay, thank you so much. Ayan, thank you so much po sa pag-attend ng ating multi-jam.
Okay, screenshot daw tayo.
Ayan. Sa lahat po na nag-join, Kuya Mino, Ate Min, Chris, Kuya Ladawan, and sa lahat po na nanonood. Assistant, thank you so much sa paggising ng umaga.
Ayan,
Umaga
boss
ng
assistant, thank you so
maaga.
much.
Aha, open cam Ladawan.
Open cam.
Nasira po
Si
po.
Mamang Kira,
Hindi siya,
natutulog na.
kumanta siya kanina. Thank you so much! Yan, sa mga gusto pa mag-stay, pwede po kayo mag-stay. Yan.
Ako, mag-stay muna ako kasi makikichika lang ako konti.
Oo, magchika naman tayo para naman kahit pa paano meron tayong
Sige,
time banding.
Sige, Miss Kay, yan. Gusto ko yan. Nami-miss ko yan. Paano ba ito mag-change it again?
Chika dyan.
Oo nga.
Bakit
At
pa
meron
kayo
kami
change
mga ano
it?
dito, may mga dala. Ah! Chris! Si Chris ang gulo!
Gusto ko mag-chika. Yan, chika minute!
Chika minute! Sa mga gustong makaramdam dyan ng mga chika. Okay na, alis.
Bakit tayo mag-change it?
Sabi ko, hindi na niya alam kung paano lumaki yun. Doon ka na sa malaki, Bebe
Bakit
Dimples.
din naman yung ano yung sa big screen yung
Oh, yung
i-hot
pinakamagandang.
seat natin.
True.
Ay,
May mga katanungan tayo dito.
Ulo, bakit
Kasama-
ako?
Ma'am Don, pwede kang pumanik para madami tayong
Ayaw
katanungan.
nga, Miss Kay,
Oo.
ang bagal ng internet. Kasalanan ko ng internet talaga.
Alam guys, paayos lang ako dito.
Ayaw.
Ang ganda talaga.
Ano
Sus,
to?
inuo ko, Chris.
Lipat ka sa to, lipat, ikaw na lang lipat to sa Chris para malipat ako. Pwede yun?
Rugo, oh, pwede yun.
Ayuy. Chris, ikaw na
Bebe
po to sa
Chris.
to B.
Click mo yun. So, ayun na nga, meron tayong mga katanungan dito. Ready na ba ang ating host for today's video? Madami kami mga katanungan ng mga hinihanda para sa ating binibining number 1. Ready ka na ba sa iyong katanungan?
Bakit naglalag ako yung music ko?
Sabi ko, naglag-lag.
Ay, Ladawan, thank you.
Para hindi siya makasagot.
Thank you. Lag talaga.
Siya po ay naglalag.
Buti na lang lag ako.
Oo. Para hindi daw siya matanong na para bang hindi.
Para kumari lang siya. Parang gano'n.
Naglalag ako, walang music. Lagyan ko sa background. Lagyan ko sa background music para intense. Ganon.
Thanks yan.
Ay, Danby, lagi naman siyang maganda.
Ano
pero
po yun?
Iba yung
Pero
ano,
iba
no?
yung
Iba yung
Ganda niya
pag-bloom
ngayon.
niya ngayon.
Totoo. Iba
No?
yung smile niya, yung parang yung smile niya ay para bang makatotohanan.
Pumayat ako na.
Totoo, pumayat ka. Totoo.
Gusto ko eh.
Pero pumayat ka nga, bebe, no? Pumayat ka nga, no? Yung mukha ni
Pinaghahandaan
bebe.
naman talaga
Itribot,
yung pag-lose ng weight na yan,
True.
ano?
Live na po ako, Ma'am Kira. Idol, wait na. Baba na po ako.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Miss Tin po.
May
Thank you so
pinaghahandaan
much.
daw
Thank you
para
so
ano?
much, all.
Para gumaan ako.
Bye-bye muna ako.
Para kumaan.
Thank you, Ate Min.
Parang